Question 10. Two poles. Poles again here means it is making 90 degree with the ground. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. What does it mean? That you have a road here, and this road is 80 meter wide. इस सड़क की चौड़ाई कितनी है? 80 मीटर.
80.
So this is 80 meter wide road, right? And there are two poles of equal height. Please pay attention here that the poles are of equal height, standing opposite on either side of the road. So one pole is standing here. Being pole means 90 degree. One pole is standing here. Both have got same height. Okay? Since the height of both the poles is same, let me mark it H. Let us take H as the height of each of the pole. Let us name them A, B, C, D or whatever you want. Right? Now, from a point between them on the road, from a point between them on a road, between them बोला है, middle नहीं बोला है. Please mind it. Middle होता तो exact center. It is given between. So any point on the road. Let me take a point here. Let us call this point P. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole and distance of the point from the pole. They are saying when you are looking at the top of the pole, some angle is being formed. Another angle is formed here. But had it been the middle of the road, obviously the angles would have been equal. Now, according to you, which angle should be 30 or this should be 30 or 60?
60.
60.
See, simple logic. Two things of the same height. If you're closer to that object or that wall or that pole, you will have to raise yourself more. है ना? अगर कोई चीज दूर है तो मैं आराम से देख सकती हूँ conveniently. But if I'm closer to that object, I will have to elevate myself more. So the one which is closer to 90 degree will be more, as discussed in the previous question, right? And this will be 30 degree. Are you please clear with the figure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do we have to find? What do we have to find? H, that is height of the pole, and also the distance of this point from the respective poles, that is PB and PD. Children, are you please clear with the question?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So
Yes,
one
ma'am.
time we shall take this right triangle APB, another time we shall take CPD. So let us just solve it. Let us write the introduction. Let AB and CD be two poles of equal height H. Let BD be 80 meter wide road and P be a point on road such that angle APB is equal to 60 degree and angle what? CPD is equal 60 degree.
मैम वो उधर का नहीं दिख रहा थोड़ा सा।
क्या बेटा? What happened?
मैम थोड़ा जूम आउट कर दीजिए।
Can you see
मैम
now?
एंगल CBD 30 दिख रहा है।
मैम ये
Sorry. Yeah.
यस मैम।
First, height of cones. That's H. Second, distances DP and DP. G. Let us take this right angle. Acha, एक और चीज. We are not given any side of any of the triangles, but we are given this complete thing is 80. So out of BP or AP, you assume one of the things to be X, so that at least some side of the triangle we are getting. So let us take, let's say, this is X. So what will be this? What will be this distance?
80 minus
Children,
मैं आपकी वीडियो फ्रीज हो
80
गई।
minus 6.
if I am taking this to be X, it should be 80 minus X. Then only we can have some side of the triangle and continue solving the question. Clear? So let us now see. Let BP is equal to X. So this implies PD is 80 minus. Now, in right triangle ABP, in right triangle ABP, what do we have, beta? What do we have? AB upon
tan 60.
tan 60, right? Which means H upon X is equal to root 3, and which gives me H is equal to root 3x. Let us call this 1. Next, in right triangle CPD, CD upon PD is equal tan 30 degree. Right, beta? Which would mean what?
H
What is
upon
C?
80 minus X is equal to 1 by root 3.
Right? Now, in place of H, what can I put?
Root 3x.
Root 3x.
Yes. In place of H, now I shall put root 3 by root 3x using this. So this will be root 3x upon 80 minus x is equal to 1 by root 3. When you cross multiply with f, root 3x into root 3 will become
3.
which is 80 minus x. Bring x this side. 4x will be 80. And this gives me
20.
x as 20. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
x 20 means X 20 means 80 minus X will be
60.
60. And H can be calculated from here. From 1,
Height of the pole.
H is equal to root 3X. So that is 20 into 1.73 meter, which will be
34.6.
34.6 meter. So thus, height of each pole is 34.6 meter, and they are respectively 20 meter and 60 meter from point P. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.